Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Message. Here is a quick solution for you that you are getting the problem. The MMI code is the missing, and or in MMI code is the code there where when you are dialing or checking the balance, you are getting the problem like this. How you can fix this? Please watch this video full up to the end. But before, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell button so you will get all the notification from the YouTube channel. What is the MIM? MI code. MI code is the code that you enter over the phone, which contains the star and has character solution, connection problem, or invalid MMI code. Indicate the problem with the network, that is a poor signal or wrong MMI code. What have been entered by user. So how you can fix this? Here is a quick solution. Just example I am showing to you. There's a star 123 has one. That it's coming that like that. So go to the phone setting, press back, go to the mobile network, press on the mobile network, access the point name. Here is the SIM selection, Vodafone MMS or Vodafone Mobile Connect. Just actually I am using this and mobile Vodafone Connect. Okay, my SIM selection was not valid that time. Access the point and network operator. Go to the network operator, the search for network. Here just press the select network automatically. Then again go back. If the search network is automatically select, then again go back. Now dial star 141 has. Star 141. Yes, it's come. But before restart your phone, sometimes it's not work because that your phone not coming in the network area. So because of that, just restart your phone and it will come to the solution. So hope guys your problem will solved. So if your problem is solved, please like this video and share with your friend also, and have a for next upcoming video please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye, take care, tata.